Welcome back to TechGetter Official. Today we'll learn how to download videos from Facebook easily. First, open Facebook and find the video you want to download. Click on the three dots next to the video. A list of options will appear. Now click on Copy Link. Next, open Google Chrome and in search bar paste the link and you can use Ctrl+V. Then hit Enter. The same Facebook video will now open in a new tab. Now go to the URL in the address bar and carefully remove everything before facebook.com, like https://www. Replace it with mbasic.facebook.com. So the full link should start with mbasic.facebook.com. Then press Enter. Now the same video will load in a simpler layout. Click on the video. It will open in a new page. Now, right-click on the video or click the three dots and choose the option Download Video. Your browser will start downloading the video immediately. You can check it in your Downloads folder, and it's done. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.